ready? Come on, let me show you what I've been up to. Come on, Mia. Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell. Okay, I know you're thinking to yourself, I'm just jumping into this video right away because we have a little bit of stuff to cover. You're thinking to yourself, didn't she just do a shopping haul? Didn't she just say she's not going to shop? Well, I mean, I might have said those things. I might have. I mean, maybe. Did I say those things? Well, if I said those things, I said a little white lie. Come on now. You all know that I am a the tiniest bit of a shopaholic. Not much, right? Okay, let me explain why I went shopping again and what I bought. And I'm going to show you because they're all here and in the kitchen. Crazy. Okay, so you can tell behind me and you can tell on the couch, everything is gone. All the fall has been taken down. Everything has been taken down. Everything. And then I went into the basement. And I was rummaging through all my stuff. And I was like, oh my God, what are you going to do this year? So here's my themes. And this is what I think I'm going to do. I think, hopefully. Okay, my front hallway and the whole staircase going up the staircase is going to be very traditional, like the reds, the greens, the golds, okay, but with a twist, because you know I'm going to do it with a twist. And then the dining room, I'm really not sure. I'm not 100% sure yet, but it'll be something more traditional, but also my version of traditional, because I like to do not red, green, and gold for Christmas. I like to do a lot of champagne because I love that. And then in here, the family room where we're sitting right now, I want to do it a rustic, cabin, cozy Christmas. Okay. And the kitchen is going to be Mrs. Claus's kitchen. 100%. That is for sure. Okay, Bella, let's take a sip of coffee. Let's stop talking and get to the haul. Guys, I cannot believe I did this today. It's not a ton of stuff. I mean, really? Is it? No, maybe not. Okay, I got this pillow. How cute this is. It says Noel. It is from TJ Maxx, and it was $24.99, and it is Rae Dunn. So it's the Rae Dunn one. You can see the Rae Dunn tag here, and I don't know if it'll focus. Anyway, so it's $24.99. It's the red and black buffalo plaid, and it is, it's really nice actually. And the reason why I got this one, and you're gonna think I'm crazy, and if we haven't met, I mean a little, they had other Rae Dunn ones for $29.99, and now I'm thinking I should have bought them at Hobby Lobby, but you know, for some reason I didn't. And so anyways, I got this one. I think it's going to look fantastic in the family room. So I got that. I think Angela will like it also. Speaking of Angela, I sent her a picture of these two, when I was at the store. The poor child's at school, and I'm sending her pictures of pillows. It's a pack of two, and it's upside down. It's like a sweater material. I love this kind of material. But this is kind of along the theme I'm going for in the family room. And the pack of two was $39.99. Ooh, it's kind of expensive. But that's okay. That's okay. What else did I get in here? Oh, I got body wash. Okay. Oh, no, I got this. Look how cute this is, guys. Let me put this down. Sorry, I'm rummaging through bags. I'm telling you, I just got home and I literally made a coffee, and the lady at TJ Maxx was putting everything on clearance at all the fall and Halloween stuff on clearance, 70% off. So this in Canada is $6.99 original price. It's the Rae Dunn napkins. And they had the markdown for $2.10. I was like, yes, $2.10. I will buy it. $6.99, not so much. I don't know. For paper napkins, no. I got this. Guys, this is a little secret of mine. I'm obsessed with TJ Maxx health beauty products. Anyways, I got this. It's a rose oil. It says body wash, and it was $9.99. It's pretty big. It's nice and big. Okay. Next bag. Let me see what I got. These two things on clearance, they're not for me. I'm going to open this maybe. Actually, it's just a skull platter. My cousin is obsessed with skulls and, I don't know, Halloween decor. So I saw this on clearance, and I thought, I'm just going to add this to her Christmas gift. The set of 4 of these glasses was originally $14.99, and they marked it down to $4. So I was like, this is perfect for her. So I got that for her. Sorry, let me just put this down and then take the stuff out of the bag. So I'll show you the rest of the stuff. The next couple things I'm gonna show you are part of that what I found on clearance. I'm so excited that I found this. You know, I've been looking for this Rae Dunn cake stand for the longest. Like, I've seen this over and over and over again in the store, and I just couldn't bring myself to pay the $24.99 for it. But they marked it down to $15. I was like, okay, $15, we can buy this. I think it's beautiful. And I'm going to use it at Christmas time. I know it's not a Rae Dunn Christmas item, but I'm going to use it at Christmas time in my kitchen. Okay, if you're like me and you absolutely love to decorate for home, like your home for all the seasons, guys, now is the best time. Like, the season is done and all the stores are preparing for Christmas. So now is the absolute best time to go to your TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Michaels. Michaels has huge sales on fall. Like, I think they're already like 70 or 85% off. But look what I found. And these were at TJ Maxx, and they're pretty fall wreaths. They were originally $16.99, and I got them for $5. And this is that floral that I really love. Look at these beautiful sunflowers, like itty bitty sunflowers. I'm gonna zhuzh this up. For right now, I'm gonna put it away in storage, and I'm gonna bring it out next year. And this is gonna be amazing because it'll never go out of style. This is a traditional kind of wreath that just will never go out of style. And I will have this for many, many years to come. And I saved myself a ton of money. So I got 2. Right, because I couldn't get 1, right? No, that would be too easy. I mean, why would I get 1? Why would I get 1? Okay, Christmas! More Christmas. I couldn't resist this. I thought this was so pretty. Look how pretty this is. Love the stitching on it. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Love the white pom-poms. It says nice on this side, and on this side it says naughty. And I thought, that is perfect. Isn't that perfect? Guys, I love it. I love it. It's from the Well Dressed Home, and it was pretty cheap. It was only $19.99, and I thought, it's such a great quality pillow. I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. I know exactly where I'm going to put it. And try. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I moved my camera. And I'm just reaching down to get one more thing. When I was in the store, I was trying to do my best to think clearly. Where are you going to put all this stuff? Don't just buy stuff because you want to buy it. Because really, I would have bought way too much stuff. But I was trying to think of Where exactly am I going to use it? And are they going to have longevity? So then I got this beautiful, oh my God, it's so soft. Guys, this is so soft. Not that I needed any more throws in my life, trust me. That's not what I needed, but I wanted a red one. I love the white, the red, and the black plaid. And it's not buffalo plaid because I'm afraid that buffalo plaid might go out of style. So I don't want to buy too much buffalo plaid. Anyways, this was a great buy. It was only $19.99. It's from that City Chic collection. I like this. This brand, City Chic, that they have at TJ Maxx and Home Goods and HomeSense and Winners in Canada. Sorry about that. They have, their prices are really good, even at TJ Maxx. Okay, Mrs. Claus reporting for duty, obviously. I got the Mr. Claus and the Mrs. Claus. I wanted only the Mrs. Claus, but it was in a set, and I thought it was cute. And maybe one day in my life, I'll find a Mr. Claus, and he'll marry me, and yeah, a girl can dream. Anyways, they're right done. They're super cute. I love them. They were $12.99 here in Canada. So I thought it was an okay buy. It wasn't like a great buy, but it was an okay buy. Now, if you saw my last shopping haul, which I'm going to link at the end, I got the little canister that goes in this collection. And look, I found the spoon rest, and I thought, oh, this is perfect for Mrs. Claus's kitchen. Yeah. Okay, guys, it was only $5.99, by the way. All right, I'm going to take the camera off the tripod right now, and I'm going to take you down to my storage room and show you the disaster that's been happening. And do you guys want to see what I bought at Christmas Tree Shop for Mrs. Claus's kitchen? I kind of have it in the kitchen already. I mean, it's not like decorated or anything like that. I was just kind of playing with it. I'm sorry, I'm looking over there because that's where it is. Okay, let's get off the tripod and I'll take you for a little tour around the house. And well, I'll take you into the kitchen and show you what I bought over there. Maybe you have a Christmas tree shop near you. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, you totally have to follow me on Instagram. Guys, even the Christmas tree shop, they used my story as their story. So I thought that was really sweet and really awesome. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Come on. Everything is gone from inside my kitchen. I've even taken the paintings off. I got this little guy at Christmas tree shop. I thought he's so cute. Look at the detail on him. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Look at this. Oh, so cute. He was only $19.99, and I think that's a really good buy for this kind of Santa. And he's the decent size. Okay, now I'm just playing with this. This is not styled. It's not gonna stay like this. I was just playing around with this, but I brought some stuff up because this is all the stuff I had. I know it looks like a crazy mess. I got this beautiful plate at Christmas Tree Shop. It was only $9.99. I think it's absolutely beautiful. What else did I get? I got this little set of bowls, the peppermint and gingerbread. That was only $4.99. I got this little cute thing here for $1. In there is a billion picks from Hobby Lobby. There's another sign down there I got from Walmart, and that was only $3.88. So I just brought the bag up, and I'm going to put the stuff on the countertop so you can see it. This was from Hobby Lobby. Their Christmas stuff is already 50% off, so that was only $5. I thought that was cute. It'll go in the kitchen. And then I got a bunch of these kinds of ornaments. I don't know if you guys have seen these at Walmart. I know, excuse my nail. They look like real shortbread cookies. And then I got some gingerbread and some candies. And they were all 98 cents. Little cake one. It's just so cute. I think this one was only $1. Maybe this was 98 cents. I got these little guys. Aren't they the cutest ever? Oh my God. They were only $1.99 each. Those were from Christmas Tree Shop. What else do I have in here? Anyways, this is what I've been doing. I took my painting out. I put this up, but I'm not going to leave it. I was just playing with the trees to see what I'm going to do. They're not going to stay like this. This is my dining room. This is a disaster that's going on right now. I brought my tree up. Half the lights work, half the lights don't work. This is the door to my basement. I'm almost mortified to take you down there and show you what's going on. Are you ready? Mia's gonna come with us. I'm so scared to show you what's going on. Now, you'll have to excuse the lighting because the lighting down here is not the best, but let's go down and see. This is what happened. I know, you're thinking to yourself, what? Why is she even showing this? This is what happened. I know, this looks crazy, right? This is what happened because I thought I misplaced, well, I couldn't find something. So I took all the boxes apart, all of it. Bins, boxes, you name it. Those are all pillows. Yeah. I'm going to give you a mini tour of my storage area. We're down here in, I'm trying to get good lighting. We're down here in my storage area. I have, it's kind of, I mean, don't look at the Christmas section. I mean, you just saw that. You're probably mortified. But this is where I keep my everyday decor. I got pillows, greenery, stuff there, stuff down there. And then there's more over here. I have shelves. Those are big arrangements and things that are very, very tall that I can't fit on the black shelves. So, I know, it looks crazy, right? Look behind me. It's just insanity. I know, it's insane, right? It's insane. I know, it's insane. I just wanted to show you that, I know on YouTube we make it always look so pretty and so nice. I know the lighting is crazy. I was trying to get better lighting. Okay, so I know we show on YouTube, we make it look so pretty and nice, but the truth of the matter is there's a lot of madness behind the scenes. So I wanted to give you a quick look at behind the scenes. So I'm pretty excited for Christmas. Okay, let's go upstairs. This is going to be the end of my video. Please give it a big, big, giant thumbs up. It totally helps my channel grow. My channel's been growing. I have so many new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And welcome, welcome, welcome. And I know I haven't replied to the comments, guys, between work and YouTube and shipments. Speaking of shipments, okay, I know a ton of people are going to get their lanterns today and some cutting boards. I really want to know who got them. So if you got them, leave me a comment down below and tell me if you like them or not. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on Monday. I have a really great, really cute DIY planned for Monday. And then I have another DIY. And I'm thinking maybe I might have to put the series, the bedroom refresh series, on pause for a little bit because between Christmas and work and all this stuff and trying to look for a new house. Yes, yes, yes. We'll talk about that later. I have been just so busy and so overwhelmed, so that's why I haven't really been able to answer comments. But I will this weekend. I will try my best to get through them and answer them for you guys. And I just know that I love you guys so, so very much. So very much. My subscribers, you guys are not just subscribers. Most of you are friends of mine. And I love you very, very, very much. And I hope you have an amazing weekend. And I'll see you on Monday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. See you Monday.